Alright guys, today we're going to replace the oil pressure sending unit on my 87 R10, hopefully to fix the gauge on the dash. I'm hoping the sensor's shorted out internally, grounded out internally, and I don't have to tear apart the dash to get to the cluster and replace it there, but may have to. You'll need a 9/16 wrench to remove it from the port. Before you start, you want to unplug the sensor as well. It came pre-pipe threaded. With tape. It's annoying sound, ain't it? Yeah, I know you can't see a whole lot. There's not a whole lot of room to get a camera in here. Hopefully you'll be able to get the gist of it. If this doesn't fix my gauge, I'll trace all my lines back, make sure there's no broken wires, anything like that, before I start diving into the dash. Alright, and that's how you change out the oil sending unit. Well, it looks like the gauge itself is grounded out. We'll start the pickup just to be 100% sure. Yeah, from the looks of it, it's grounded out. We'll have to pull the apart, get the cluster out, and replace the oil pressure gauge. But that's for another video. Until then.